So welcome back to the channel, guys. Now this time we're just going to take a quick look at a VNA that I received there in the post this morning. A little bit late to the party. A lot of people have been using this for a number of years, but we said we'd check it out and see what we got back. This one is the Nano VNA, and it is made by SeeSii Nano VNA. We'll get a nice little instruction manual. It seems to be in different languages as well. So we've got English, and it looks like French and German. Just gives you a little rundown of what the equipment is capable of. What else we got in the package here? So I have here a EU and UK Declaration of Conformity. It just states who's the responsible people. And then we have the goodies. Let's have a look here now and see. Well, and get it out the other side. There we go. It was very light, but not cheap feeling. Feels quite decent. Oh, I'm liking the look of this one. A little screen protector on it, but of course that'll come off eventually, but we'll try and keep it on just for the minute. I wonder if it's actually charged. How do you turn this on? Oh, a nice bit of charge in it too. It's handy. Loving the colours on the display. See what else we have in this package. Okay, there's a nice few bits and pieces. So we have what looks like a charger cable, maybe a programmer. We got USB-C to USB-C to USB-C. Maybe for charging on an iPhone charger, maybe. You got a little patch lead, SMA plugs on the end. Here we have what looks like a guitar plug for using on the touchscreen, which is quite handy instead of using the traditional stylus. Not bad. And of course we have the traditional stylus. We got two similar patch leads. Well, see, one has an adapter on. The other one is straight through. SMA types. This one is simple adapter. I suppose if you wanted to put a PL to SMA onto the end, that would come in quite handy. Yeah, next up in this little bag, we have the tools needed to configure the device. As far as I'm aware, one is an open, one is a short, and one is through. And they collaborate the system into giving you the correct readings. So there we have it. Quick unboxing of the Nano VNA. A lot of learning to do. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.